Hi, I'm Paul Torgerson. It's Thursday, September 26th, 2019, and this is a look at the information security news from overnight. From ThreatPost, Magecart Group 5, or MG5, is targeting routers used at airports, coffee shops, hotels, and other public facilities. If successful, they would be able to siphon payment data of users joining those Wi-Fi networks. Remember, folks, public Wi-Fi is public. Never access your bank or use payment cards on a public network. From SC Magazine, the vBulletin Internet Forum software package evidently contains a critical zero-day remote code execution bug. It's easy to access, only taking less than 20 lines of Python code, and has been in place for up to 3 years. If you are running version 5.0.0 through 5.5.4, you are urged to take it offline until an emergency patch is figured out. From ThreatPost, a suspected Chinese APT group has been attacking tech companies using a Trojan Eyes screen reader application, replacing the built-in narrator ease of access feature in Windows. They then deploy a version of the PC share backdoor to gain a foothold into victims' systems. And now, a story about open databases in 2 parts. First, from TechNadu, Mexican online bookstore Liberia Porua, sorry if I butchered that, left 3 Mongo databases online without a password, exposing 2.1 million records, including 960,000 customers' profiles. Fortunately, they then made another database. Unfortunately, they didn't have a password on that one either. And second, from ZDNet, online dating app Heyo left an Elasticsearch instance unprotected and leaked extensive data on almost 72,000 customers. After they were notified about the database, it took them another week to bring it offline. Come on, guys. And last today from Bleeping Computer, Adobe released security updates for 3 vulnerabilities in ColdFusion. 2 allowed code execution and can bypass access controls. 1 allows information disclosure, and all 3 are rated critical. That's all for me today. Have a great rest of your day, and until tomorrow, be safe out there.